Can we talk about days like today for like the quantum stocks, right? That you've been, participating on the upside the last month or more, crushing it on the upside. You wake up today, and granted, I know you're not long right now. You're not long overnight. At least I don't think you are. But talk about like the risk controls you have in place for mornings like today.
Oh, I'll tell you about risk controls. We are not only not in the quantum stocks, but we were shorting them with you guys yesterday. And I was talking about blow off tops and looking for them. So if you guys see my screen, here is the Ion. Here's the monster chart that we've all been enjoying. But here's yesterday. And this is what you see right now. Again, this is past tense. This is the blow off top. But let me show you what happened intraday yesterday and why we were looking at these things. Again, we were running out of steam. And I think Carvana having that moment was a little warning sign across the bow, and we got to where we go. We got
interesting because Carvana is the king of the memes, right?
And the Palantir. So the Palantir kind of ran out of steam. Carvana ran out of steam. And again, when the internet, and again, I'm on the internet and I'm trying to avoid the cesspool of misinformation, but what I do see is everybody started talking about quantum names. And I was like, okay, the trap is set. Some of these stocks were up 1,100, 1,200, 2,000%, and people are talking about how now's the time to get in. I'm like, woohoo, the Cathie Wood moment. Now let's wait for the blow off top. So yesterday I came in short in this Ion Q and almost got my head caved in at the beginning of the day. But it presented itself as a short, and I played the fade. Immediately within 2 minutes, I'm covering the stock saying, hey, I guess the time's not happening. And this is why VWAP as a validation of your idea is so key. So I came in looking to short some quantum names yesterday, but for 10 or 15 minutes, I was dead wrong. Then I was right, because when it rolled over, the faux show bro on the downside, it's the same as the blow off top. But I want to show you guys a neat trick, okay? So a lot of people don't see they don't see the short trades as well as they do the long trades. So if you want to see it, flip the chart over for a second. Put a minus sign in front of Ion Q, right? And that flips the chart over. There's the faux show bro. Wouldn't you buy this stock right here when it broke down, breaks back above VWAP and starts to trend?